同大家分析咗長壽好重要，不過長壽得嚟一定要健康。你同我個目標係乜嘢啊？到我哋人生最後嗰10至20年，我哋想點呢？我自己就好想唔坐輪椅，係要行得走得。你呢？你如果想嘅話呢，你可以睇返我哋之前介紹咗一位長壽醫生，就係叫做 Dr. Attia。咁佢有教我哋點樣可以做。咁今次呢，就係想同大家去講，如果你想達成呢一樣嘢呢，原來有一樣嘢我哋要掌握，我哋要識食啊。咩叫識食啊？今次呢，就想介紹另外一位醫生，佢呢就出咗一個好暢銷嘅書，就叫做長壽飲食法。佢喺入邊呢就分析一啲資訊俾我哋。今日就好想同大家去講，今次想介紹係一位醫生呢，就喺呢一個南加州大學嘅一位教授，超過25年嘅一位教授。佢呢就係呢個洛杉磯嘅長壽學院嘅所長，好巴閉噶，好叻噶。佢嘅名呢就叫做 Dr. Valter Longo。佢本身呢就係一位意大利人。佢強調呢，一個人想長壽得嚟健康呢，佢話要學識一樣嘢。咁呢一樣嘢係乜嘢呢？就點樣可以令到我哋嘅細胞呢係可以越嚟越青春。你有冇聽過呢一樣嘢呢？同斷食有關嘅喎。你有冇發覺而家好流行斷食法啊、輕斷食啊、168啊咁樣？咁其實都係講緊同一個話題嘅喎。咁呢位博士嘅研究主要係乜嘢呢？第一，點樣可以提升免疫系統？透過飲食模式。第二，點樣可以逆轉生物年齡，即係梗係令到我哋後生啲啊。第三，點樣可以做到頭先嗰兩樣嘢？仲有係可以對抗癌症。因為原來美國政府呢就係俾咗佢一筆資金去做呢個研究。咁佢哋喺大學呢就做呢個研究。一啲病人呢，佢哋有癌，咁就要去用呢個化療啦。咁但係化療呢，佢哋又會嘔啊，又好辛苦。咁個研究係咩呢？點樣可以幫助佢哋係可以減低呢啲副作用？咁你估佢用咩方法呢？佢就用斷食。你記住，佢係一個科學家，佢係一個大學嘅教授，佢有晒所有嘅裝備呢，就喺細胞去分析。咁就發覺到原來斷食呢，就喺啟動一啲生物過程，導致到當佢哋有呢一個化療嘅過程呢，佢哋係可以得到嗰個醫治率高啲，仲有副作用低啲。咁所以佢就俾咗呢個公佈出嚟。咁跟住呢，佢就發覺到點樣可以再幫啲病人呢？佢就再做研究，就係話你知道斷食啦，一般嚟講乜都唔食㗎喎，淨係飲水好多人係根本做唔到嘅嘢嚟嘅。咁佢話佢哋已經係有癌，應該佢哋好有推動力嘅，但係都有啲人係做唔到嘅。所以佢就再去做個研究呢，就係話我可以點樣將個斷食去調教下，令到佢哋一樣有好嘅效果。但係呢，就佢哋可以堅持到，等佢哋呢就可以處理晒佢哋嘅癌症嘅過程。咁所以佢就研究出，原來呢我哋嘅細胞呢係有啲營養素可以吸收，我哋都可以產生斷食嘅效果。我今次呢就係揀咗乜嘢嘅片俾大家去欣賞下呢？就係佢最近出嘅片嚟㗎。佢有個 host 啦咁佢就主持問佢啦。佢話如果我本人我自己做一個斷食，咁當然個斷食就淨係飲水，我做5日假設性啫我會得到啲咩好處呢？既然你有做研究，你可唔可以分享俾我知啊？咁所以佢呢就係開始分享佢嘅知識。咁大家諗一諗下呢一種斷食啱唔啱你自己做呢？就我唔係好同意啦。但係起碼我哋要明白個理念，就做斷食有咩好處。我哋聽下。
Yeah, if you stop eating, essentially your body has your liver has some glycogen reserves, right? Some carbohydrate reserves, and they can go for about a day or so. And then after it depletes these glycogen reserves, it begins to utilize fat, right? And a lot of that fat comes from visceral fat, right? So
belly fat.
The belly fat. That's where the fat is stored, and that is slowly consumed. As that is consumed, then you see what are called ketone bodies. There are byproducts of fat breakdown. So these ketone bodies are being generated, and the fatty acids, so the fat, part of the fats, are utilized as fuel. So now your brain and your heart and other organs can start using fatty acids and ketone bodies in addition to some glucose that comes from gluconeogenesis. Now the liver can use the amino acids from the muscle, but it can also use glycerol coming from the fat to generate glucose. And that glucose, for example, needs to continue to be made for the brain. Now,
so the bottom line is, at first, your body can use this glycogen, which is ready access fuel, but then it starts turning your belly fat into fuel, and various different kinds of fuel that the brain and the organs can use.
哇！擺咗糖啊，你覺唔覺得啊？仲記唔記得嗰啲知識咧？咁嚇簡單講講，如果你唔記得擺咗糖嘅嘢，就係話當我哋咧就係食咗啲食物啦，會變成血糖啦，咁但係我哋用唔晒，咁跟住咧佢就會儲喺我哋嘅肌肉度啦，同埋我哋嘅肝度啦，咁啊個名咧就叫做糖原啦，咁唔知咩意思啊？你買完餸，你煮咗你啲餸，但可能你有額外嘅餸，你要放喺邊啊？你放喺雪櫃，咁點解啊？第二朝可以用啊嘛，咁所以一樣咧，我哋嘅身體咧就有呢個糖原，或者個肝度都有肝原，咁佢咧就係會釋放出嚟嘅。好啦，當你斷食咧，你就最起初嘅咧就釋放呢啲啦，等你有能量啊，可以做嘢啊，咁非常之好啊。不過用完雪櫃啲嘢之後要點啊？可能之前咧你就買咗啲嘢擺咗落冰格度喎，咁所以咧就由冰格咧要攞翻出嚟要解凍啦，咁跟住你就可以用嚟煮餸啦，咁我哋一樣咧就係話原來我哋嘅身體咧太多食物咧，我哋就會儲備喺脂肪度咯。係啦，一粒一粒嚇，一嚿一嚿脂肪咯。好啦，咁即係解當我哋去做呢個斷食咧，佢咧用晒我哋嗰啲糖原之後咧，佢就係用脂肪啦。咁啊，就咁用脂肪嘅能量啦，令到我哋係可以有 energy 啦嚇。但係好重要，原來一個過程會發生嘅咧。當我哋開始分解啲脂肪去運用佢嗰陣時咧，就會產生一樣嘢，就係叫做酮體 ketones。咁啊，呢啲 ketones 咧就係可以去到我哋嘅腦啦，提供營養俾我哋嘅腦。咁所以咧就係2-3日後之後咧，我哋係好精神嘅喎，所以你會發覺到咧好奇妙。你一路消脂咧，即係好似啲冰格啲嘢一路溶咗佢之後咧，你個雪櫃冇乜餸剩，咁所以咧就要買個啦。咁呢個就係佢嘅5日嘅解釋啦。咁我哋可以點樣知咧？咁大家咪可以試下企喺一啲磅度啦，或者一啲咧就係而家呢度會出一個圖片俾大家咧，就係量度你嘅體內嘅水分啊、肌肉啊、脂肪啊、內臟脂肪啊呢啲，咁你就可以睇呢個數據。好啦，咁跟住去做呢個斷食之後咧，你又企上去咧，你就會發覺到好多內臟脂肪啊、脂肪咧係會降低嘅，除咗磅數。咁原來嗰啲咧就最大嘅得益之一嚟嘅喎。咁啊睇住呢啲數據降嗰陣時咧，我諗每個人都非常之開心。好啦，咁啊主持繼續問啦。咁佢咧就係問乜嘢咧？就係話，如果一個大概150磅到啦，即係超重㗎啦已經。好啦，咁究竟佢咧去做呢一個5日嘅斷食，究竟佢會減到幾多脂啊？減到幾多磅啊？咁你知我哋一般人就咁樣睇嘢㗎嘛。好啦，我哋由科學家嘅眼中再睇下，佢會講咩俾我哋聽喎？咁啊會令到我哋知道斷食原來好有效果嘅。
You can expect probably to lose about on average 7 or 8 pounds
of fat or
mostly fat, some muscle. The muscle comes back when you refeed, right? So you have a temporary shrinking of the muscle, but it quickly comes back, right? And so now we've done a lot of trials. I mean, we haven't done it with the water-only fasting. We really don't think water-only fasting is feasible for 99.9% of the population.
Right.
Just too difficult, and also
we're going to get
too dangerous.
We're going to get to the fast mimicking diet, but I just wanted I just wanted to start by helping people understand the benefits of the general idea of fasting.
哇，係咪好犀利啊？呢個主持問嘅150磅嘅比喻佢話可以減到7磅啊、8磅啊，我諗大家聽到都非常之開心嗬。但我希望你特別留意啦，佢就好強調呢，就係話佢唔贊成你做斷食，淨係齋飲水。嗱，你要記住佢係斷食專家嚟嘅，即係全世界10個最犀利嘅知識嘅人呢，就係佢係其中之一嚟嘅。所以佢講嘅嘢，我哋真係要學下，要聽下。佢話係有困難啦，好多人做唔到，堅持唔到，仲有啲危險性嘅。所以你話唔係做呢個係 OK 嘅咁，我諗如果一個好健康嘅人呢，或者仲有醫生睇住嘅呢，咁都可以嘅。但你識有幾多個醫生呢？係明白斷食係可以幫你睇住呢個過程呢？係咪少啲呢？咁所以呢，就係佢鼓勵我哋就唔好行呢個方向，因為佢係有研究就係話，其實你有食少少嘢食啲啱嘅嘢，你原來都可以做一個叫做模仿斷食嘅飲食法嘅。佢自己出埋書噶啦，大家，因為佢知道呢係可以幫助多啲人呢得到斷食嘅效果，但冇咁辛苦同埋安全。所以大家聽完之後係咪好開心呢？下一次好想同大家講下，除咗消脂，除咗個肚腩細咗，除咗啲內臟脂肪走咗，仲有咩好處呢？原來斷食係有好多好處嘅。